What's going on, guys? Mike of Trading. We're back with another unboxing video. Today we're going to go through our Assorted Intimates apparel palettes. Now these are priced at a percentage of wholesale, they're in shelf pull condition, and they're fully manifested. Now when I say fully manifested, I mean you can expect to receive the retail price, wholesale price, brands, stock pictures, UPCs, and more. Now we're going to go through these. We're going to open up each one of these boxes, lay them out here on the floor, and then we're going to go through them in a little bit more detail to show you the types of items you can find in there. So you're going to get things like bras, underwear, thongs, camisoles, pajamas, and much more with brands such as Calvin Klein, Ralph Lauren, DKNY, Heidi Klum, private label brands, and more. But enough of me, let's get right to it. This should give you a better idea of what to expect inside one of these assorted intimate palettes. Now what we did, we left a few of these boxes behind because we're running out of space, and as you can tell, a lot of them are going to be duplicates. But the manifest will tell you exactly what you're going to get. Remember, fully manifested and in shelf pull conditions. But let's get to it. Let's dig around a little bit, show you more or less the type of items you can get from the pajamas, bras, underwear, camisoles, so on and so forth. You will get some seasonal items as you see here, and we'll go through the rest of this palette, but again, the manifest will tell you what you're gonna get, and you're gonna have the stock pictures. You've got some underwear. You see some of them with shelf pulls, they're so fresh, so to speak, that they come right off the rack, and you're still gonna have some of these on them, the security tags. But there you go. So that's a thong. What is it, Calvin Klein. Got another one over here. It's just a lace underwear. Calvin Klein again. Some more pajamas, slippers. I see again, shelf full condition, so right off the racks, these are still on their hangers. Again, you see the brands right there, Heidi Klum. Now, as shelf full items, these are fairly retail ready. Okay, so there you have it. That's what you can expect to receive inside one of these assorted HE intimate palettes. Now, as you saw, we found bras, underwears, pajamas, seasonal pajamas, slippers, robes, camisoles, and a whole bunch of other intimates in here. Now again, they're fully manifested, so check them out on our website in the load center. They're in shelf pull condition, as you saw, majority with tags, with hangers, retail ready, and they're priced at a percentage of the wholesale value. Make sure to ask questions below, comment below, share the video, but most of all, give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys later.